Hello, my name is Vincent Savino from Cromwell High School from the year 2024 to 2025. Turning from fossil fuels and working more towards electricity for fuel and other things, moving to electricity can way shorten the fumes emitted by cars, and shifting at least to 50 to 60% of cars to be electric can go a long way in saving the earth. What gases do and the effect they have on our ecosystem. Carbon dioxide comes from respiration, methane comes from fossil fuels, nitrous oxide comes from industrial process, water vapor comes from plant transpiration, and ozone comes from agricultural emissions. The causes of increased concentration of greenhouse gases are the respiration that humans do and the constant carbon emissions caused by the burning of fossil fuels. The consequences of this are the rising temperatures in the earth and the eventual melting of all the ice caps. The temperature graph hit a new spike once the Industrial Revolution happened. Once that happens, the graph seems to be going up and doesn't seem to be going down anytime soon. It is important to find ways to reduce carbon dioxide in the atmosphere to help the Earth take back out the carbon instead of creating another layer of carbon dioxide that traps heat in the atmosphere. We are focused on this gas because it is the most burned because of fossil fuels. All the gases and what it does to our planet. The model I created shows the greenhouse gases trapped the heat inside Earth and not letting it release the excess heat. A greenhouse is a structure usually made to take care of plants. It's usually used to trap heat from the sun to keep the structure warm and humid. It is used for this model because the Earth is like the greenhouse, a dome created to keep in heat from the sun. When the sun is shining light on Earth and giving its energy to it, with greenhouse gases, the gases trap the heat inside an extra layer of the atmosphere. When it doesn't have that kind of dome, the heat isn't trapped and can freely go back into space. While recycling can be a very effective way to reduce carbon dioxide, recycling can really help shorten carbon dioxide emissions since it has already started making a big difference for the environment. If we get more and more people to recycle often, we can probably shorten the carbon dioxide emissions by a ton. Recycling turns a water bottle, say, into a renewed water bottle, can be turned into anything. Burning fossil fuels to burn trash is a big waste of fossil fuels, and all it does is just put more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. In this data, it shows that the more waste you recycle, especially the more recyclable ones, really shorten the amount of carbon emitted into the atmosphere. Data also shows that between 2020 and 2050, 5.5 to 6 gigatons of carbon dioxide will be saved the more we recycle might increase it. Recycling is easy, yet it makes a big difference in the environment and the amount of waste and carbon dioxide that is sent into the atmosphere. Recycling at least a couple times a day can save tons of trash from going into landfills. Recycling is very affordable and it is very easy to implement in your life. Thank you so much for watching my presentation and for your time. I really appreciate spreading this information to the world. Thank you.